This is CUBOT Tab 10, and today we would like to demonstrate how you can share the Wi-Fi network password on this device. So first of all, swipe downwards from the top part of your display in order for this notification and control center to be launched. From here you can either tap and hold at the Wi-Fi shortcut, or there is also an alternative way to get into the Wi-Fi settings page. So simply launch the general settings and here go for the network and internet, Wi-Fi. And once here, choose what network you would like to share the Wi-Fi password of. I'll go with the one that I'm currently connected to. While at the network details page, tap on the share icon. And as you can see right below the QR code, the actual Wi-Fi password will be shown. So from here you can either manually enter the password that is displayed right here, or you can also take any device that you were to share the Wi-Fi password with and get it automatically connected to it by scanning this QR code. Alrighty, so that would be it for this video. Thank you so much for watching, and bye bye.